Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Samsung Product Consultant channel. I'm Murat. Today, we have a device that has been creating massive waves in the tech world since its official announcement on March 25, 2026. This is Samsung's newest and most ambitious player in the upper mid-range, the Samsung Galaxy A57 5G. As you know, the Galaxy A50 series has always been Samsung's bestseller, striking the perfect balance between price and performance. But this year, with the Galaxy A57, Samsung isn't just making a good mid-range phone, they are boldly bringing flagship features to this segment. In this video, we'll dive deep into everything, from the premium feel of the aluminum frame and the raw power of the Exynos 1680 processor to the AI-driven innovations of the brand new One UI 8.5. Is this device truly worth the investment? What old habits has Samsung left behind? We're covering it all in this expert guide. Grab your coffee and let's start with the design. The moment you pick this device up, you notice the premium build. The plastic frames we used to see in the A series are officially a thing of the past. The Galaxy A57 features a unibody aluminum frame, which brings the structural integrity and hand feel much closer to the flagship S series. Both the front and back are protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. This is one of the highest levels of protection against scratches and drops available today. Despite the massive 6.7-inch display, it's only 7.4 millimeters thin and weighs between 179 and 196 grams, making it feel incredibly balanced in the hand. Another major upgrade is the durability rating. We've moved up from IP67 to a full-fledged IP68 water and dust resistance. This means your phone can survive being submerged in 1.5 meters of fresh water for up to 30 minutes. Whether it's caught in the rain or an accidental spill, you no longer have to worry. We have beautiful color options this year: blue, gray, lilac, and white. Samsung has always set the industry standard for displays, and the Galaxy A57 is no exception. We are looking at a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED Plus panel. The screen-to-body ratio has been improved to 88.8%, meaning the bezels are noticeably thinner and perfectly symmetrical. The resolution is 1080 x 2340 pixels. Everything looks razor-sharp with a pixel density of 385 ppi. With the 120 Hz refresh rate, navigating the interface feels like butter. But the real showstopper is the brightness. The Galaxy A57 screen can hit a peak brightness of 1900 nits. This is a value we barely saw on flagships just a couple of years ago. Whether you're on a sunny beach or in a bright office, visibility is never an issue. Plus, with HDR10+ support, your content on Netflix or YouTube looks absolutely stunning with incredible dynamic range. What truly sets the Galaxy A57 apart is its heart: the performance. The device is powered by the brand new Samsung Exynos 1680 chipset, built on a 4-nanometer process. It's time to set aside any old prejudices about Exynos, because this 8-core, 64-bit processor is a beast. Under the hood, we have a 2.9 GHz Cortex A720 performance core leading the way. For graphics, the Samsung Xclipse 550 GPU, powered by AMD's RDNA architecture, takes charge. In real-world terms, this means an Antutu score nearing 1.4 million. You can play the most demanding games at high frame rates without overheating or throttling. The device comes in 8GB or 12GB LPDDR5X RAM variants, with storage options ranging from 128GB to 512GB. A quick expert tip: the microSD card slot has been removed in the Galaxy A57, so if you plan on keeping this phone for a long time, I highly recommend opting for the 256GB or 512GB version. The Galaxy A57 features a highly capable triple-camera setup. The main sensor is 50 megapixels with an f/1.8 aperture. It's a large 1/1.56-inch sensor that supports optical image stabilization and phase detect autofocus. Daylight shots are punchy with a wide dynamic range, and thanks to the larger sensor, night photography is cleaner than ever with minimal noise. We also have a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens with a 120-degree field of view, perfect for landscapes. And for the detail-oriented, there is a 5-megapixel macro lens. For video, the A57 records in 4K at 30 FPS or 1080p at 60 FPS. The combination of Euro EIS and OIS makes your handheld footage look like it was shot on a gimbal. Even the 12-megapixel selfie camera supports 4K video, which is a massive win for content creators. Connectivity-wise, the A57 is future-proof. It supports Wi-Fi 6E and the latest Bluetooth 6.0 standard. It also supports eSIM, giving you the flexibility of digital lines alongside your physical SIM. Despite the slim chassis, Samsung packed a 5,000 mAh battery inside. Thanks to the efficiency of the 4nm Exynos 1680, you can get up to 52 hours of use on a single charge. And when you do need to top up, we finally have 45W fast charging in the A series. Software is where Samsung truly shines. The Galaxy A57 ships with Android 16 and One UI 8.5. It's smooth, packed with AI features, and highly customizable. More importantly, Samsung is promising 6 years of OS and security updates. This means your phone stays current and secure well into 2032. So, final verdict. The Samsung Galaxy A57 isn't just a minor update. With its aluminum build, 1900 nit display, flagship-tier performance, and 6-year software promise, it redefines what a mid-range phone can be. What do you think about the Galaxy A57? Does the new aluminum frame and Exynos 1680 excite you? Let me know in the comments below. I read and reply to all of them. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the Samsung Product Consultant channel for more expert tech insights. Until next time, stay techy.